The Waikato has a booming science and innovation sector, boasting the highest proportion of scientists and technicians in New Zealand, and is the only region where these numbers are expected to rise. With a higher rate of patent applications than the national average, our Waikato scientists show they have the skill and dedication to explore new ideas, test them with rigour, and then share them with the rest of the world. Because of this, the Kudos Awards were established in 2007 to recognise our world-class Waikato scientists, shine a light on their achievements and research, and reward their groundbreaking discoveries. Run by the Kudos Science Trust, the Kudos Awards continue to grow in prestige and provide a solid platform for sharing the region's science stories. With the support of loyal partners and sponsors, the Kudos Awards have given prize money to further research, buy tools and equipment, and help our scientists to attend international conferences. This is our Waikato way of saying thank you and celebrating our science stars, the quiet champions behind some truly brilliant achievements. The kudos belongs to them.